Imagine this. The power goes out and you're trapped inside your garage. Your car is in here, but your garage door opener is dead. What do? Most people would panic, but for anyone in California, getting out of this situation is now the law. So what is this law and why should you care, even if you don't live in California? Let's party. First, let's talk about the problem. A power outage isn't just an inconvenience, it can be a safety issue. If there's an emergency like a wildfire, a flood, or even a medical crisis, you might need to get in and out of your garage in a hurry. Without power, your modern garage door opener is just a very heavy, very expensive paperweight. You can't use the remote transmitter, the wall button, or even the keypad. You're left to manually lift the heavy garage door, which for many people is difficult and dangerous. The garage door opener has been a great invention, but it's not a perfect invention. Now let's look at the solution. California State Bill 969, which went into effect July 1st, 2019, requires all new garage door openers sold and installed in the state to have a battery backup system. This isn't just a suggestion, it is a legal requirement with penalties up to $1,000 for any violations. But why was this law created? Well, this law was created to solve the exact problem we just talked about. A garage door opener with a battery backup has a built-in power source. So when the lights go out, the opener automatically switches to the battery power, and you can still open and close your garage door for a certain number of cycles. It's peace of mind in a little box. So you might be thinking, but I don't live in California, so this doesn't apply to me. And you're right, the law doesn't. But the problem it solves is universal. Power outages can happen anywhere, and the safety and convenience a battery backup provides are valuable no matter where you live. Many top brands like Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Genie are already including these battery backups as a standard feature on their newer models because they know it's a critical safety feature. So how do you know if your garage door opener has a battery backup? Well, you want to look for a separate battery case like the one we have here for the Genie models, or you can look at the garage door opener to see if there's any markings or any tags that will specify the garage door opener to have a battery backup. There also is a specific light feature that'll indicate the battery being charged. If you don't see one, you probably don't have this feature. Now for context, I do want to show you this battery backup that Genie makes that can be installed onto the punch angle, or it can even be installed onto the beam or somewhere close to the garage door opener. But Genie also has another version of a battery backup that can be applied to the actual garage door opener. So this would go on to the back of the garage door opener. This is pretty ideal, and like we showed you in the video, this is one of the ways that you can power your garage door opener in the event that there's no power to the home. Now, if you're in the market for a new garage door opener, or you just want to add a battery backup to your existing system, you're probably wondering which one to choose. There are a lot of great options out there that will work with every type of garage door and budget. I've put together a list of the top 5 garage door openers with a battery backup in the video description. You'll find the links and more details about each one there. But for those of you who want my personal recommendation for the absolute best garage door opener with a battery backup that works with everyone's budget, well, here it is in this video right here. So don't get caught unprepared. Check out the link in the description for the detailed breakdown of the top 5 garage door openers with a battery backup. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.